Hello Philippines and hello world. So, welcome to another video of my job hunting journey. Job hunting! And wala kayong choice kung hindi ay samahan ako sa pag-apply as an English tutor. So, malapit lang yung location nito, Inares lang. Literal na katapat lang siya ng Inares Center. And ayun, I decided to apply kasi nga tinanggihan ko yung offer doon sa Alor. Hindi naman tinanggihan talaga, pero pinapili kasi ako nun kung itutuloy ko ba or mag-aasa ko sa parents ko, and nag-aalinlangan kasi ako if mababalance ko ba. So ayan, nakapasok na nga po tayo. After mang introduction, magpakilala nung interviewer, ayan, inisa-isa na kami sa pag-interview. So yeah, initial interview namin, and ang ginawa namin ay yung passage reading. I was the last person to get interviewed by the interviewer, and here are some of my answers to her questions.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Maria Jane Junarce. I reside in Antipolo City. I'm 19 years old. I recently completed my second year of college at Our Lady of Fatima University under the Bachelor of Science in International Tourism Management. So, apart from my accomplishments at school, I have also focused on my professional development, earning various certifications, including my National Certificate in Tourism Promotion Services. So I was actually employed by my classmates' mom as a private tutor for 3 consecutive days for basic Filipino literacy. I have no any formal experiences apart from it, but I am also experienced in teaching my younger siblings on how to read, the proper pronunciation of words, reading stories, and such. No, I'm not currently enrolled. Yes, that's why I am just applying for a part-time. I usually morning. I can actually tailor it so that it wouldn't affect any of my schedules. Well, as for my experience as a private tutor, I've realized that clear communication and patience, some important characteristics that would actually help me to make the student engaged. Well, kids, I love kids because they're so fun to be with. I can teach adults or kids. I'm happy to help them develop their critical thinking skills and being part of their growth. Well, I believe that in this situation, it's not part of my job to introduce my personal beliefs. I have no any questions.
By the way, the interviewer and yung fellow applicants ko were there on site. But the interview was conducted virtually. And ayan, at this point, I was waiting sa message nung interviewer sa Viber. Kasi eto na, gaganapin na natin yung passage reading! So eto, nagpa-practice pa ako dyan. Nakita naman, 'di ba? And tinuruan din kami kung paano mag-record. Class in actually yung ginamit namin, which familiar naman ako. But yeah, first time ko na ako yung kakalikot, 'di ba? As at this time, we are the teacher. And ito na, magsi-start na ako. So here are some of the clips.
Good morning. Good morning too. You're very pretty. I love you. Thank you. We're having frightful weather these days. Shares many humanitarian interests and contributes a lot to them. In the case of savings, the customer is the lender and the bank plays the role of the borrower. Think. Think. Now. Through. Television. National. Revision. Cash. Efficiency.
And we're done! Ito yung first take. And hindi ako satisfied kasi may na-mispronounce akong isang word. So, yung second take, yung pinasa ko. Ready to go na rin kami. So, ang kailangan lang namin gawin ay mag-wait for the results. Diyan ka lang magdamag. Kawawa naman to.
Kunyari.
Okay lang. Clerical center, pero tutor. Initial interview, tapos passage reading. That's what we did. Alright, we're done! Tutor na content creator.
Shout out kay mama.
Nanungkat ko lang ito sa...
Pero pwede na, manageable eh. Ito, nakaano siya eh. Does your water bill?
Magkano yun?
20, ayan na ba? 25. Ito na lang.
Malaki na lang.
Ay, malaki gusto mo?
Para ano yun, 30.
30 minutes to 20 minutes.
Oh, edi go. Oh, sarap. Oh, hindi ko alam. Wala.
Since nandito na lang din kami and literal nakatapat lang naman yung Inari Center, nag-inquire na rin ako if may scholarship silang ino-offer for incoming third-year students. For context, as I've mentioned earlier, I recently completed my second year of college and hindi po ako nag-enroll ng summer class or OJT namin, supposedly kasi June, July. Hindi ako nag-enroll, so kaya ako nag-job hunting, part-time or summer jobs.
Nakakamiss lang yung old days kasi dati I was a color guard o yung nagpa-flag. Diyan kami paparada tapos tumitigil kami dito. Usually. Na-stress na.
Dapat pa ikamin video pagkatapos mo magsalita.
Wala kasi akong video nun na dati pa.
Picture.
O picture, sige. Ipa-flash ko niya. Ganon. Nakakamiss lang. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-arte sa kutis ko nun. Ngayon medyo nag-iinarte na tayo. Pero,
Bata ka pa siya.
oh, pero ito ngayon, maarte na ako sa katawan talaga. Pero maarte na ako dati. Hindi ko di-deny yan. So, annex building daw, guys.
Saan yun?
Kung saan nga may masarap, ay dapat pinupuntahan. Ay, iba yun.
Ito, scholarship office.
So, na-redirect tayo, Anas, sa PSWD daw.
Hindi po. Yun lang kuya, sama mo kami. Saan po dito?
Sa may kanan po kayo dyan.
Okay. Yung mata ko guys, wala na siyang sore eyes, pero ang sensitive niya. Naluluhan na naman ako. Sabde.
After ko makuha yung requirements for the scholarship, lumarga na rin kami because we are going to have a nice day! If you know, you know. Seats were already taken papunta sa paboritong mall ng lahat, Santa Lucia! And bumili na rin pala kami kay tatay dyan ng banana chips, pang dagdag na lang din sa benta niya.
Bebenta po kayo like isa lang. Ito po, purpose. Ito yung mga nasa task purpose. Ito lang. Doon ang buhok ko, diba? Tulog kasi ako. We're here at the mall. Yay! Open sila.
So here, papunta na kami dun sa seats namin kasi we're going to watch a movie! Hulaan nyo kung ano yung movie. Hulaan nyo muna. Pagkatapos niyan, may mga feedbacks na kami agad kasi hindi kami nag-picture, alangan bawal.
Ang galing, ang transformed, ang developed, ang evolving, very fast-paced environment.
Naman, di ba nakaupo na?
Grabe. Nakaka-tense siya. Kaya bili ko sa mga ganung movie. Tinan mo, wala nang tao. Pasarado na yung mall, guys. Ano masabi mo?
Hindi pa rin tapos eh.
Wow, ah. What can you say, Babu?
Ganda. Ewan ko kung bakit hindi siya ganun kagusto ng critics. Kasi may mga nakita akong review nakaraan na hindi siya ganun maganda daw.
Colony, wala nang tao. Go.
Kasi daw, ewan ko ba, parang nilabel siya as next train to Busan. Yun yung nakita ko sa isang review.
Oh.
Sabi, parang
Wait
hindi naman daw ganun ka ganda as train to Busan. Iba yung
Iba yung concept,
aspect.
guys.
Oo.
Iba. Ang talino
pareho
talaga.
silang parang zombie. Oh. In terms sa technology, science, camera,
Wala,
ginamit.
Mas
grabe,
gusto ko yun,
grabe
sa totoo lang.
Talino. Tinakpan
Pala,
nila
diba?
yung mata pero hindi
Kaya nga
natakpan
hindi.
yung tenga.
Kasi nga, every time na nakakarinig sila din ng bagong information, napapasa nung number 1 or nung parang head. Agad, pangarap ko to. Pangarap ko to. Ang saraduhan ng mall.
Ang ganda nung acting. Lalo na yung ano, yung...
Ji Chang-wook? Kay Ji Chang-wook ba?
Hindi ko alam ang pangalan.
Yung security
Yung
guard.
umiyak, oo,
Oo,
yun.
yung iyak niya, te. Ganun yung iyak na gusto ko sa isang actor eh. Yung
Tapos,
parang, may ganun.
Yung villain, ano, Aura Moments yun, Aura Farming.
Alam mo yung policeman, halata talaga sa aura niya eh. Sabi ko, makasarili to. Turned
Ayun nga,
out,
makasarili.
ayun nga, makasarili nga siya. Overall for me,
Para sa akin,
10 out of
Oh, yun.
10 guys,
Yun.
promise.
10 out of 10.
Kapag nagustuhan ko, ikaw.
Siguro sa critics, may hinahanap silang iba. Siguro medyo cliche yung ibang parts. So,
No?
aminin natin, cliche yung
Oo.
bullies,
Lalo, oo, yung
cliche
mga,
yung villain,
yes.
cliche yung businessman na gustong gusto yung
Oo.
sarili lang.
Oo.
Gusto mabuhay. Pero, kung tutusin yung kwento, yung paggamit ng science,
Oo.
etc.
Oh, colony. Oh my God, nasaraduan kami. Oh my God. Science persons, kayo na mag-judge na kasi hindi ako science person. Yung ganun na, kasi gamilit sa science eh. You after watching Colony?
May mga zombie.
Oh, di ba? Kunyari information, marunong ng tumakbo. Oh. Oh, yung parang creator nung ganong chemical. Kahit ang galing umakting, sobrang yabang. Ganun yung mga aura ng mga taong feeling cool. Bakla sobrang pakul nyo kasi kontrolado niya ang lahat. Sobrang ganun niya lang. Very runway lang talaga siya dun, no? Pauwi na kami. It's 9:41.
Yeah.
We had a great time watching Colony, guys. Watch it on cinemas. It's so cool. It's so evolved. It's so developed. It's so talino. Ang talino ng director, ng scriptwriter, or what. Last month ko pa yung nakikita sa cinemas, di ba? Ewan ko last week na, no? Pero ang ganda niya. Korea, you've got it all. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga K-dramas, ha?
Dapat nga
Pero,
panoorin nga.
bakla, movies talaga.
Yung mga choices namin kanina,
Yun talaga sila.
Home Along the Realist,
Oo.
tapos Scary Movie,
Yes.
Story. Kaso buti na lang naman ang namin.
Buti ng colony tayo, no?
Maganda siya.
Ganda siya.
Pero gusto ko pa rin mapanood mo ano.
Pumalang Dariles. Ako din.